Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maisha here. Today we're going to learn about 4 more tags, more elements. Abbreviation element, definition element, time element, and address element. Today we're going to put these tags in this content here. So let's get started. Here, as you can see, let's say that this is a blog or something. So this is about HTML since the title is HTML, and this is the time of the blog, the date of the blog. Whatever, you can also put time here. And this is as an author of this blog post, let's say, I am the writer and this is my address. This is my basic internet address and my personal address. It's up to you what you want to use, but address tag is used for these purposes. And this is the paragraph. Okay, so the tags we're going to learn about today, let's write them. Abbreviation tag, definition tag, time tag, and address tag. Okay, so these are the tags we're going to learn about today. So let's say this is a blog post, and as you can see, this blog post, so-called blog post, is about HTML since the tag here is the H1 element contains HTML. This is the title of the website, and this is the time when the post was posted, and this is the author's address, his or her email address, website, and this is the content. So let's now put these tags. Since this is the time of the post, we use the time tag here. And in time tag, you use the attribute called date time. Although this date time attribute is not really supported, let me show you. This is the browser compatibility of this attribute. So for date time you can use, so in the date time attribute you first put the year. For example, this is 2020, and then put dash and then month. Let's say it's 5, and then the day, which is 12. Oh, and here you can change it, of course. 12 May 2020. Okay, so this is it. This is how you put the time tag and use the time tag. Now we're going to put this whole author's address inside address tag. Address tag. Yeah, this whole thing is now inside address tag. There's something I like about VSCODE. Also, it's available in every text editor, but I really like is you put here your cursor and click. Now press Ctrl and then also click here, and you see, now press tab. You see, now you can write everything you want all together in 2 lines. This is how you select multiple lines in VSCODE, by clicking on something and then pressing Ctrl and then clicking everywhere you want to write something. Click on somewhere else and it will be gone. Okay, so now we have put this whole thing inside our address tag. Let's see how it looks. Let's save it first. Now let's open with live server. You see, this is our date tag This is our HTML, and this is our author's address. As you can see, it has put the whole thing in a block. The address tag is a block level tag. It's putting the whole address, whole thing in one line, but in a separate line from time tag. Time tag is an inline tag, but the address tag is a block level tag. So to get around this, we don't want to consistently write blog, or you can use para tags inside this, but we're going to learn another different tag here today, that is BR tag. Break tag. This BR, that is break tag, is a line breaking tag. Let's say as now you can see there is a line break. This BR tag breaks the line. This BR tag is used to break line, to do line breaks basically. BR tag is self-closing tag. It doesn't have any closing tag. Since you don't write any content to break a line, you don't need to write contents to break lines. So use BR tag. It's self-closing tag. Now, as you can see, this is blog related information stuff, and this is the content. So we kind of want to separate this, right? This information and this content, we want to separate it. For separation of your content in your website, you use HR tag. HR tag is also a self-closing tag. Let's save it and see what it looks like. Here it is. HR tags creates a line to divide your content, to basically separate your contents in a website. So you can use HR tag as you like for separation. It's up to you, but this tag exists and most people use it. You can also use it too. Third tag is definition tag. Suppose you're writing a definition in your website. Now you put your definition in a definition tag. Let's read this. Love, an intense feeling of deep affection. So this is the definition of love. So we're going to put definition tag in love. Now let's see what it looks like. See, it gives an italic style to the word. Now my love for HTML, hypertext markup language. This is the abbreviation of HTML. So this is the word where we put abbreviation tag to tell that there is an abbreviation in this website. These tags are used for these kinds of purposes, as you can see. In your blog, you want to style different words that are definition different. You want to style the words that are abbreviation differently. You want to style your address differently. Instead of creating different divs for them, there are tags for them. So you can use these tags for these words. Since they exist, it's good to use them. Okay. So this is it for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like how I teach, or if you like this video, also share with your friends who are interested in learning web development. I will soon start showing you how to develop websites after completing this HTML course. So stick around and subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.